Ofra Cosmetics has been located here for 23 years. We started in Whispering Lake, renting a 2,000 square foot space until we bought this building, and we have close to 40,000 square foot space.
The city of Pompano Beach has helped Ofra Cosmetics greatly, whether it's from making sure that we're up to code, getting permits passed very quickly. They're very efficient and answer very quickly.
We supply 25 countries around the world, and our contribution to Pompano Beach is that the fact that we in 25 countries, and everywhere it says made in Pompano Beach, Florida. So millions of people probably asking, where's Pompano Beach, Florida? And now that's our contribution.